Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the new benchmark in cafe racer design and performance, the Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello. When you combine modern engineering masterpieces with the legendary spirit of the golden age of motorcycles, you get something truly special. For over a century, Moto Guzzi has given us motorcycles with an undeniable character. But today, they're not just launching a new motorcycle, they're launching a dream for Guzzi enthusiasts worldwide. Let's take a step back in time. When the V100 Mandello first appeared, it celebrated 100 years of Moto Guzzi while bringing the brand into the future. The Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello introduced the world's first adaptive aerodynamics on a production motorcycle, featuring a liquid-cooled engine that is a true gem for enthusiasts, combined with the perfect blend of sport, touring, brilliance, comfort, power, and technology. But it seems that wasn't enough to satisfy Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello enthusiasts, as they wanted something different from before. Will Moto Guzzi finally answer all that? Meet the Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello Cafe Racer. This motorcycle appears to be the comfortable touring bike we've long known, returning with a new, transformed attitude. Guzzi has revolutionized the V100 with a completely new look. The upright riding position of old is now gone, replaced by aggressive clip-on handlebars. The previous bodywork has been removed, replaced by a classic minimalist cafe racer body that fits snugly around the beautiful round headlight. This isn't just a change of color, folks. It's a total transformation. This new design is a direct homage to the golden age of cafe racers, and Moto Guzzi not only participated in it, but helped define it in tangible form. And shouting Le Mans is a legend, is a raw, uncompromising factory cafe racer that stole the hearts of riders in the 70s and 80s. It's all about performance, style, and that pure, unfiltered connection between rider and road. The new V100 Mandello Cafe Racer is the spiritual successor to that icon. It shares the same rebellious spirit, the same captivating presence. Unfortunately, this is just a CG rendering by designer Kentoros.